Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Victor, and in this video I'll show you how to enable the dual app feature on any Xiaomi device, on the Redmi Note 10 or the Redmi Note 11 or the Redmi Note 9 or the Redmi Note 8. So this is just how to enable the dual app features on your phone. So to do that, all you just have to do is to head over to settings, then you scroll down to where it says apps. You click on apps, then you have dual apps here. You click on dual apps. Then if you want to have any app on your mind that you want to enable dual app features on it, then you just have to click on create dual apps, and then you enable dual app feature for that particular application. And you can see you will now have a different app for WhatsApp right here. And you can also do the same for any other apps you have on your phone. Maybe you want to draw your Poco community app, you want to have different account for your Poco, then you can also enable it. And if you have any other app you want to have different accounts for, maybe you have Netflix, you have different account for Netflix, you can also do that for Netflix and enable this dual app feature. So that will create two different Netflix accounts. And if you want to see your app, you have to go down to this page. You can see I now have a different Netflix account and a different WhatsApp account. So if I go down to WhatsApp, you can see this is my WhatsApp account and this is the new WhatsApp account I just created right now. You can see I have two different WhatsApp on my phone, on my Android device, and the same thing here. I also have my WhatsApp that I'm using right here, and I also have a different WhatsApp again. So now I have two different WhatsApp accounts. You can see I've also done the same thing to Twitter, the same thing to Netflix, and this is my Netflix account. So you can also dwell this is my Netflix account where I watch movies, and I can also go down to create another Netflix. So also add another Netflix account here in the dual app. So that's how to dual any application on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, Note 11 or the Note 8 or Note 9. So you have to go through the same process all through. So you have to go through the same process as well. So that just have to dual, just have to go to apps, then dual apps. Then you enable any app you want to create multiple accounts for. So that will be all for this video. I hope you find the video helpful. I'll see you in the next one.